What is up, YouTube? I am doing a NASCAR unboxing here of 2 Indy cars, I think. Yeah, they're Indy cars. They're both the same. Like I said, the older cars that I'm gonna be unboxing are the same. And this one's already open. And the back of this one's been ripped off. And see, this one's like practically open, so I might as well just start opening this one. And no problem at all. This is just gonna be a quick video. Here's what you get out of it. Card tells you everything on the back, and did not see that. That's cool. Guessing it's on the other one too. Here is the car. This is a really nice car. I like it. Racing Champions. That's a nice car. I actually got more. Since this is just going to be a quick video, I might as well just do more. A lot of them out of the way with. And here is Davey Allison. I got 2 of those cars. They're both the same. I looked at all these, see if they were different any. I could not find a difference. The back says $50. Like, I don't understand what they're trying to go for. I mean, their prices are, whoever did this, trying to make the prices like unbelievably high. See, 25 there, 39 there. They're both the same. I looked at everything on this. They're both the same. So I don't know really. Since this one's damaged, see the damage, might as well open this one. They are both the same. And whoops, here is the card in the stand. Racing Champions, Davey Allison. The IndyCar in the background fell. It's really nice. I like that. And the 28. All these cards I got during Christmas. I've not done unboxing. And some of these I actually had before Christmas. Trying to see what. Oh, it says 1989, I believe. Yeah, this is a 1989 car. I don't know about the other one. I'm pretty sure that one's 1989 as well. This is a nice Davey Allison car. The tires feel rubbery. Oh crap. See the 28 tie up there, and 28's very, very low down there, and there's a scratch. I don't know what Racing Champions was doing at all. Next up, I got 2 more Davey Allison cars. Not the same though. Different years. 1993 edition. Looked at, like I said, I looked at everything. Everything is all the same on the boxes. Everything was the same. So I'm looking at the damage. I'm gonna open this one because the corner is already coming off. See right there. So here is the card. Stock car, Davey Allison. That in pause, read all that. That's really nice. And I will actually be redoing this season, because I will be putting these cars on my other shelf I have and be going through and seeing which ones I have the most of, and I can try to see who will bid. See who will bid on the season I should do. The one that will have the most win. So all my newer cars will be in for vote. And these, some of them, not all of them. Next, I will be doing the Dale Earnhardt unboxing. Dale Earnhardt Sr. I did not know I had two of these until I sorted them all out. I looked at my wall and noticed I had two. So yeah. So, like I said, all of them are the same. Not this one. I don't know what happened to the back. This one will be opening. It's already partially open. See, the bottom is like, I don't know what happened. I think it's mildew or something. Water, yeah, water definitely got inside of it. Something you can see. Pause it if you want to read all of it. No, I don't really want to. And the front is somewhat scratched up. Don't know why. And here is the car, Earnhardt 1993 edition. Very, very nice car. I like this. Very nice. If you guys have not seen the number 3 Austin Dillon car that he will be running next season, you should really check that out. That's a really nice car. Throwback to that car. Now the 90 car of Mike Skinner. No. Mike Wallace. My bad. Mike Wallace. Can't read cursive. 90. And another 90. Like I said, looked at every single one of them before I did this video. And when I went through them all, found nothing different. So, see which one's in better condition, like the box thing. This one's got that there. This one's partially open. So I'll be opening this one. Oh, this stand is different. This is a 1996 edition. Pause that if you want to read all that. Pause the video. This is a really nice car, to be honest. I actually have a couple of these like this. I got the hauler for it. Don't know how it's the back of it. And it came with 2 cars, which I thought that was pretty awesome. I don't think I will be able to get through them all here today. Surely will try my best to. And next 2 up will be Mark Martin, number 6. I will do one more after this and be done, so I can have 2 videos that will be released. So, Mark Martin, like I said, looked at every single one of them. And see, back same, blah blah blah, same thing. See which one's in better condition. Okay, this one's already, the box is messed up, packaging, so the bottom's cracked some, so I will have to open this one. This video, when I'm filming this, this is Friday. Usually I don't do videos on Friday, but mainly because I've been in school, so yeah. 1959. He was born 1959. Not bad. I don't know what year this car is, but 1991 Mark Martin. This will actually be the last video, last car I'll be unboxing, because my phone's about to die. Film this on my phone, so. Mark Martin, I really like this car. So I will have these cars on my shelf, see which ones will I have more of, and hopefully get some more votes coming in, so I can do new season. I'm really excited. Hope you guys enjoyed this short 6-car unboxing. Yeah, I thought it was gonna be 7, but 6 is enough. It's half of my other ones, so I have 6 more that I will be unboxing later. If you guys enjoyed, please like, subscribe to my channel, and see y'all next time.